What's up, everyone? Welcome back to What to Open Next. I'm your host, John Parker. Alright, in this video, we are going to be opening up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs of Yu-Gi-Oh! Duelist Alliance. Alrighty, guys. So, let's find out what we could potentially find in these packs. Alrighty. So you can have, let's see, 48 common cards, 20 rare cards, 14 super rare cards, 10 ultra rare cards, and 8 secret rare cards. Which, funny enough, we are really hoping to find ultra rare cards. Yes we are. But other than that, let's find out how many rares we can find today. Alrighty. If you guys want to play a quick game, picking number 1 through 9, see which pack will have the best pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pick your pack, pack your pick. I will go with pack number 6. Alrighty, let's go. Alright, we're going to open up pack number 1. Get your guesses in the comments section. Alrighty. Thank you for being here. Alrighty, let's see what we're going to get. So we have a Focus Stellar Art Knight Alpha. An Equip Spell. Alright, then we got a Aria the Melodious Diva Late Fairy Effect. Battery Man 9-volt Light Thunder Effect. And we got Recover Earth Psychic Tuner Effect. Ooh, got a Shadow Falco Dark Spellcaster Flip Tuner Effect. Alright. That's a rare. Artifact Chakram Light Fairy Effect. You got Curse of the Shadow Prison. A field spell. And we got a Deskbot 001 Earth Machine Tuner Effect. Performopal Hip Hippo Earth Beast Effect. Alright, that's our first pack, everybody. First pack, pack number 2. Pack number 2. Here we go. Alrighty. So here we got a Metaphys Armed Dragon Light Worm. Gaia the Polar Knight Dark Warrior Effect. Here we got Shadow Squamata Dark Spellcaster Flip Effect. Stellar Knight Alpha Equip Spell. You a Mighty Slugger Earth Warrior Effect. Rare card. We got Sonata the Melodious Diva Late Fairy Effect. Yang Zing Unleashed Continuous Trap card. Hem of Light Ritual Spell. And another Performopel Hip Hippo Earth Beast Effect. Alrighty, so the first 2 packs basically is about the same. Alrighty, we'll do 2 from the back for fun. Alright, voila. And we got, so you got Exchange of Night and Day. Continuous Trap card. Sonata the Melodious Diva Late Fairy Effect. Chain Dispel Trap card. Super Heavy Samurai Blue Brawler Earth Machine Effect. Pop-up a quick spell. I got Battle Guard King Earth Warrior Effect. UA Perfect Ace. Earth Warrior Effect. Rare card. Jin Demolisher of Rituals. Dark Fiend Effect. And a Pilgrim Reaper. Dark Zombie XYZ Effect. Cool. Alright, to the next pack. Pack number 4. Let's see. We're gonna get something amazing. Amazing. Deskbot001. Every pack is a good pack. Some are just better than others. Earth Machine Tuner Effect. Performapel Hip Hippo. Got a whole set of that now. Earth Beast Effect. Stellar Nova Wave Trap Card Continuous. Artifact Lengths Light Fairy Effect. Yang Xing Prana Continuous Spell Card. Battle Guard Rage Continuous Trap Card. Oh, Panzer Dragon Light Machine Fusion Effect. It is another rare. We finding a lot of rares. We are. Artifact Chakram. Light Fairy Effect. Curse of the Shadow Prison. Field Spell. Alright, let's go. Pack number 5. Will we get something awesome? We got some Stellar Knight Vega. Light Warrior Effect. Exchange of Night and Day Continuous Trap Card. Yang Xing Prana Continuous Spell Card. Aria the Melodious Diva Light Fairy Effect. Battle Guard Rage Continuous Trap Card. Recover Earth Psychic Tuner Effect. You a Mighty Slugger. Man, I feel like I just opened this pack. Earth Warrior Effect Rare. Fishborg Doctor. That's a new one. Water Fish Effect. There we go. Then, oh, that's a good card. The Monarch's Stormforth Quick Spell Card. Anybody ever use that card? Anyone still use that card? Alright, pack number 6. This is the one I picked. Anybody else pick pack number 6, or which pack did you pick? Definitely tell us in the comment section, which pack did you pick? Alright, so we got a super heavy samurai swordsman. Alright, it's an Earth Machine Effect. Stellar Knight Vega Light Warrior Effect. Stellar Knight Alpha Equip Spell. Performapel Swordfish Water Fish Effect. Hippo Carnival Quick Spell Card. Chain Dispel Trap Card. Shadow Falco, another one. Dark Spellcaster Flip Tuner Effect. Shadow Hedgehog Dark Spellcaster Flip Effect. And a Yang Xing Unleashed Continuous Trap Card. Alright, so yeah, that was pack 6. Pack number 7. 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 Come on, let's get something amazing. Another artifact check ROM. Curse of the Shadow Prison. Battle Guard King. Earth Warrior Effect. Chaos Seed spell card. There you go. There you go. Performapal Swordfish. Waterfish effect. Oh, nice, nice, nice. We got one. We got one. Sinister. Sinister. Alright, what you got? What we got? There we go. Right, number 72. Yes, it is. Oh, it's almost $1. Almost $1. Nice, nice, nice. We got our ultra rare first one. Woo! That's cool though. Alright, and then you got Dagu rare. Earth Rock effect. And Sonata the Melodious Diva Light Fairy effect. And we got, another Monarch Stormforth. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Cool. Alright, alright, alright. Next. So pack 7 is in the lead. Pack number 7 is in the lead. If you picked pack number 7, you're in the lead. Woo! Alrighty. Pack number 8, everyone. Sonata the Melodious Diva Light Fairy effect. Artifact check ROM, Light Fairy effect. Recover Earth Psychic Tuner effect. Battery Man 9-volt Light Thunder effect. Satellar Knight Unakalhai Light Warrior effect. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, Doomstar Magician. There we go. There we go. What's this one? What's Doomstar Magician? Where is he? There he is. Oh, man. That's another ultra rare, but pack 7 is still in the lead. Dark Spellcaster effect. That is awesome. That is awesome. Got a Stellar Knight Skybridge. Quick Spell. Alright, and we got a Performapal Hippo. Earth Beast effect. Super Heavy Samurai Swordsman. Alright, alright. Earth Machine effect. Last pack. 7 is in the lead. Let's see if we can get something amazing out of this one. Alright, pack number 9. Here we go. Oh my goodness, what's that say? It says Nefarious Archfiend Eater of Nefariousness. Oh, that's a long name. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, to the next one. Earth Beast effect. Shadow Hedgehog Dark Spellcaster Flip effect. Performapal Swordfish Waterfish effect. Hippo Carnival Quick effect, or quick spell, sorry. Quick. Chain Dispel Trap card. Trap card. Ooh, Shadow Core. Shadow Core. Will this make it? Will it? Will it? Will it? Oh, no, it doesn't. Alright, so pack 7 is still in the lead. You never know if something's gonna jump out. Right? Let's see. You got Flash Knight Light Warrior Pendulum. It's our first pendulum, huh? Woo! Alright. Then we got Feast of the Wild LV5. Spell card. Alright, that's 6. Trap card continuous. Alright. Then that's the last card of the last pack. So pack number 7. If you picked pack number 7, guys, you got it. Alrighty. So definitely thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you stopping by, hanging out. Definitely like, subscribe, help answer this awesome question. What to open next? Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time a new video comes on the channel. Have yourselves a great day. Stay hydrated. Love you guys. See you guys on the next one.